Hey guys, good morning and welcome again to my mini vlog. So this is the another day if you watched my video last night and we just woke up, so me and my friend decided to go out para maglakad-lakad muna habang may araw pa. Tapos habang naglakad-lakad kami, nakita namin to. Tingnan nyo guys, so ang cute ng mga donkey nila dito, but they look sad. Yung friend ko gusto niya daw umakyat sa bundok. So while we're walking up, may dumaan na naman na plane. Like every 5 minutes ata may dumadaan dito sa kanila na plane kasi yung house ng friend namin malapit lang talaga sa airport. So tingnan nyo guys, ang cute. Then, nung nasa taas na kami, biglang nag-snow, tapos ang lamig-lamig. So, we decided na lang to go back sa house ng friend namin para mag-prepare ng mga lulutuin para sa party niya later. After namin mag-slice ng carrots and potatoes, nag-slice naman kami ng pork and chicken. At pagkatapos namin maghiwa, nagbalot naman kami ng mga lumpia. And the party has begun! And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye!